Hello there. The rest of the Christmas period looks calm and settled thanks to high pressure, which has brought pretty benign weather for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day and on Boxing Day. A lot of cloud around, a bit of rain across northern areas. So a quiet next few days expected, but things are set to change as we move closer to the New Year period. It could turn colder and more unsettled with a risk of snow for some. More on that in just a moment. Back to the here and now as we end this Christmas week. For Friday, we're still under the influence of high pressure and most of us will still be in this relatively mild air mass. Colder air looming to the north and staying at bay for now, bringing a few showers, breezier conditions to the far north and west of Scotland for the northern and western Isles. And here this weather front will continue to bring outbreaks of rain across the northern half of Scotland. But elsewhere for Friday, it's business as usual. It's light winds, a lot of cloud around, limited sunshine, maybe a bit of drizzle over western hills and temperatures on the mild side, 9 to 11 or 12 degrees. As we move out of Friday, we continue to see this weather front bringing outbreaks of rain to Scotland and Northern Ireland, some colder air to the north of it. That'll bring some blustery showers as well to the northwest Highlands. Further south, where we have cloud, then 5 to 8 degrees. Any clear spells may lead to temperatures reaching close to freezing. For Saturday then, we have that weather front still across northern and western areas, very weak at this point as it is pushing into high pressure. So again, we could see some spots of rain, southern Scotland, perhaps in towards Northern Ireland, maybe getting into the far northwest of England. Scotland may see some sunshine, some blustery showers to the northwest where it will be colder. Elsewhere for England and Wales, Saturday is going to be another pretty benign day. A lot of cloud around, light winds, limited sunshine. Sunday, we start to see this area of low pressure become a bit stronger across the north of the UK's high pressure ebbs away. So it'll turn windier, outbreaks of heavier rain and colder air beginning to dig in could turn some of these showers wintry, but most of the country again under the influence of higher pressure will be mild, light winds, given some sunshine, it could be up to 11 or 12 degrees. But the run up to New Year looks different. It will be turning colder for all of us, and with spells of wet and windy weather moving in, we're likely to see some snow. Uncertainty to where the snow will be, but at the moment looks like central northern parts of the UK and generally over hills. So for Monday, we've got high pressure to the south, some more active low pressure systems and active weather fronts to the north of the UK. That'll bring heavy and persistent rain, stronger winds, Scotland, Northern Ireland, increasing amounts of snow to the North Highlands into the Northern Isles where it will be turning colder. But you can see southern Scotland southwards, again, it's relatively mild for Monday. Maybe even a little bit of sunshine around. But as we push closer to the New Year period, colder air begins to take over right across the country and we'll have areas of low pressure moving into this colder air at times too. So wet and windy spells, maybe some snow, again question mark on where the snow will be, but some of the snow could tend to be disruptive, particularly as we head into the New Year's Eve period. And with a lot of people travelling around, this could cause some problems. So you have to stay tuned to the forecast. So yes, things are turning more unsettled, turning colder as we push closer to the New Year period. Perhaps some disruptive rain, sleet and snow around New Year's Eve. And it stays on the cold side for the first few days of 2025. Stay tuned to the forecast.